Welcome to the Solid Edge Master Program, a comprehensive journey from CAD fundamentals to advanced mechanical design, expertly designed by IIT Patna. Level 01 is the foundation track. Here, you will master Solid Edge essentials, from user interface navigation to creating your first 3D assembly. No prior CAD experience is required. The foundation track curriculum covers sketching and constraints, features and modeling, and assemblies and drawings. Deliverables include 3 mini projects, 1 assembly, and 2 part models. Level 02 is the intermediate track, focusing on becoming a mechanical design professional. You will learn multi-body design, top-down design, kinematic simulation, and managing documentation like bills of materials. This culminates in capstone real-world projects. Module 03 focuses on sheet metal design, teaching you to create professional enclosures and fabrication parts. You will master design fundamentals, advanced features, and manufacturing outputs like flat patterns and DXF export. The program prepares you for various career pathways. Roles range from CAD draftsman, with a salary of 2.5 to 4.5 lakhs per year, up to product design engineer, with 5.0 to 10.0 lakhs per year, all demanding high industry skills. The specialization in surface modeling allows you to master complex organic shapes and aesthetics. You will learn advanced techniques like blue surf lofts and G2/G3 continuity, applicable to automotive styling and consumer electronics. The final level is the advanced professional track, ensuring industry readiness. Topics include managing large assemblies, design optimization, simulation, and building a professional portfolio. Explore career opportunities like design engineer, product designer, and sheet metal specialist. The program boasts a 60% average salary hike, 100% placement assistance, and 150+ hiring partners. The project showcase highlights practical skills, including industrial gearboxes, sheet metal enclosures, and drone shells. Deliverables include a comprehensive portfolio pack with part models, assemblies, drawings, and a capstone report. Why choose this program? Key benefits include an IIT Patna curriculum, expert delivery by bit, real-world projects, and dedicated placement support. You also get lifetime access to the learning materials. Enroll now to start your engineering journey today. Visit the official website or call/WhatsApp 9328994901 for more details.